My name is Jackie and welcome back to our Xcode projects. Today I'm going to share with you what WWDC 2024 have enhanced on, which is the Vision Pro. Now Vision Pro has been here pretty new, I would say, about these couple of 2 years. So do take note, there are some setup required. First off, we're going to have our Xcode setup. Then we're going to set up our Vision Pro simulator, which normally you wouldn't buy the device. If you buy the device though, you have to make sure that you have a 50 gig memory. And on top of that, you also need to ensure that you install the simulator, which takes about maybe say 6 to 20 gigs of memory, maybe depending on the simulator itself that you want to download on. At the end of the day, we are all set and ready, and we're going to start off with the first project on the next following slides. So do stay tuned, and also any questions, again, you can feel free to ask me in that forum down there, as well as in the chat box. Drop me an email, either way wise is fine. So let's get right to it.